Hi, thank you for speaking with me and for watching this important video. My name is Richard Freedkin with eXp Realty, and I'm excited to guide you through the next steps in your home buying journey. Buying a home today is so much more complex than it was even just 5 years ago. There are so many new laws, disclosures, negotiation tactics, contracts, addendums, inspections, and many other steps, which is why it's now more important than ever to have a competent agent, someone with extensive real estate knowledge to guide you through and reduce the stress that can result from all this overwhelming information. Buying a home is also so much more than just buying a product or using a realtor service. It's a journey where you're buying a lifestyle, a place to put down roots in a community, a place to call home and perhaps start a family or downsize after raising a family. There are countless stories and memories that purchasing a home will create for you. This is why I love real estate and why I love helping people just like you take this step. It's another reason why I've been in the real estate industry for so many years, because there's simply no better service other than perhaps being in the military, police, or fire departments, protecting our cities and country, or being a doctor that heals the body, that is so important to people today. With over 40 years of experience in real estate, a national speaker, an author on buying and selling homes, and a certified real estate negotiation expert, I've helped thousands of buyers navigate every type of residential real estate transaction. Today, I want to talk to you about a new important document that you'll be signing as part of this process and journey. It's called the Buyer-Broker Representation Agreement. Now, due to legal rules that went into effect in August 2024, which affect all home buyers and realtor professionals nationwide, home buyers need to have a clear understanding and agree in writing as to how their real estate professional will be compensated before ever being allowed to tour any home with their agent. Now, the agreement I'm about to send to you simply formalizes this relationship and understanding. It ensures that I can legally represent you fully with your best interest at heart. It also means that negotiating my compensation will just be an additional step in the overall home buying and negotiation process between you and the home sellers. This is the part that is new. This is why I've also written my complete guide to buying a home that covers everything from A to Z, including these new rule changes and how you can use them to your advantage during the negotiation process. I will present a copy to you free of charge when we meet at the property. Now, here's what's important. While this brokerage agreement may be a new step for many home buyers, my 40 years of experience and expertise in negotiations will help make this process easier, seamless, and less stressful for you. It's been my experience that most home sellers are still covering the buyer agent fee as part of the transaction, just like they did before these new rules went into effect. In the email with the agreement, I'm also including real estate listings going all the way back to 1989, showing that sellers routinely covered these fees. However, like all things in real estate, everything is subject to negotiation and nothing is guaranteed. But with my extensive background in negotiating real estate transactions, I'll work hard to make sure that you get the best outcome possible. Think of this agreement as a way to ensure that you have the strongest possible advocate on your side during all aspects of negotiations. I'll be working for you and only you, protecting your interest every step of the way. Now, since you don't know me and I don't know you, I'm not looking to lock you into anything long-term. I've only prepared the agreement to just cover the property or properties that you're looking to tour right away. Now, the property or properties that we initially look at may turn out to be ones that you're just not looking to make an offer on, and that is perfectly okay. In that case, if you like my knowledge, background, expertise, professionalism, and the way I present myself, I hope that you'll consider and decide to work with me on a longer-term basis until we find you the perfect home. But for now, we'll just get to know each other on the initial home tours, and then we can go from there. And remember, I don't earn my fee and get paid until I help you find and buy the perfect home, no matter how long that takes or how many homes we have to look at. So as we move forward, you'll know exactly who's representing you and how we'll handle all aspects of negotiations, including the broker fees in each transaction. I'm here to answer any questions that you may have and make sure that you feel comfortable and confident with every decision you make. Thanks again for watching this video. I'm very excited to help you find your perfect home at the best price and terms. Please check your email for the document I just sent you. Once you sign it, we can get your home tours underway. Again, this is Richard Freedkin with eXp Realty, and I look forward to working with you. You ready? So let's get started.